Flatwoods are similar in looks to sandhills at first glance, but the differences lie in the details, especially with the amount of certain plants. For instance, you can see here that there are much more saw palmettos than there were in the sandhills, and depending on location, there could be much less cover from the pine tree canopy. You can tell that these are saw palmettos because they look like they fan out like kind of like a saw blade, like they would go out on one hand that would be very flat, like this one. The other kind of palmettos kind of go like at a V, like a V shape, and it looks similar but different when you get closer. Flatwood soils tend to be sandy, with the top layer that has been darkened by organic matter that gets lighter the deeper down you go. Flatwoods can be found all throughout Florida and use the same methods of fire facilitation to keep plant life in check. But plants in flatwoods have to be able to survive the stress of saturated soil during the wet part of the year, since organic matter holds water more than sand alone. Human intervention is about the same as it would be in sandhills, with fires and burns being used regularly to keep outside plants from taking over the system. Naturally, fires would start thanks to lightning strikes, but proper controlled burns means that fires come at a healthier rate, as well as more reliably. Right here, instead of the longleaf pines that were in the sandhills, there are a lot of slash pines. And you can see that they're slash pines because how like bendy and curvy they are, as well as the thicker stalks leading up to the needles, sorry.